So here I have 1 cup of jasmine rice that I washed, and then I put to soak with some warm water for about 4 hours. So after draining the water, I'm now putting my rice into the blender, and I'm also going to add to this 1 boiled potato that I mashed. You'd also need to add a little water in order to blend our rice and our boiled mashed potatoes. So I would suggest you start off with maybe half cup of water, and as you need to add more to get it to blend into a smooth liquid, you just add a little more water as the case may be. So here I just took my spoon and just agitated everything a bit. I did need to add a little more water, so you would see me adding a little more water to this in order to really get it to blend nicely into a smooth consistency. Okay, so we're going to add our blended mixture to our bowl. As you can see, everything blended nicely, it's nice and smooth, and there are no lumps. And this is exactly what we're looking for. Okay, so now we have reached the point of actually cooking our rice pancakes. Now what I would mention is that these pancakes stick very easily to your pan. So what you would need to use is a very well seasoned cast iron pan to cook your rice pancakes, or a non-stick pan. I usually don't use non-stick pans, so I have to make sure that the cast iron pan that I'm using is a well seasoned one in order for it not to stick. So as you can see that I did add a little bit of oil, which of course you have to do, and like I said, you just have to make sure that it's well seasoned so that it wouldn't stick. This thing just loves to stick. As you can see, I covered it in order to help in the cooking process. Okay, so now I'm going to try to dislodge the rice pancake from the pan. I did have a little difficulty, so that's why I said you have to make sure that your cast iron is well seasoned. But eventually I was able to get it to dislodge, as you can see here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a little bit of oil to the surface there, and that is so that when I flip the pancake over, the underside would have some oil. If you get any bits stuck to the bottom of your pan, you would want to make sure and scrape it off first before you put in your other batch of pancakes.